Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I would like to show you how to read data on Flutter. We read data from database and then we show it by using Pareto chart. This is a project number 41C. Okay, the previous project we have this one 41B to show data one record, and then we show it on virtual device. But this time we want to show all data from database, and then we show it by using Pareto chart. Okay, this is a simple database. If we make a script, a small script like this, simple script, and then we run it, we have the result like this. Okay, and then we want to show this result by using Pareto chart on Flutter virtual device. Okay, this is why do we use data model, because we want to convert all data from written, and then we want to make a presentation on virtual device by using Pareto chart. We use field, this one, field, not record, field by field. We want to take a field AI like this for this measure, yeah. For this measure, we have AI, computer network, database, data science, IoT, network security programmer, software engineer. And then the right side, this is a count. Okay. Now, before we make a coding, now we show you demonstration. Okay. This one. If we want to show the Pareto chart, click this. Okay. We can see the result, but before this one, I think it's better for us to show you a database. This is a database, yeah, this one database. And then if we want to, where is it, my script? Oh, this one. Okay, this is all data. If we want to calculate the sum of record or the count of record, this one, we have 43 record. And then if we want to make a summary, AI, we have 6 record, computer network, we have 2 record, and until the end of the record is software engineer, we have 8 record. And then this record, we want to make Pareto chart on my Flutter. Okay, this one. Now, before we make coding, I think we have stop debugging, stop the result, this one, and then we must delete this first. And then Pareto model, we delete this. Okay. Now we want to make a coding. Okay, the first one, because we use more than one record like this, yeah, we must have a data model. On data model, we have two parameters, measure and account. To convert data record, data written from the backend, this one, record, and then we make a split by, we want to have a field a major and also field account for each major, this one. Okay, now we make a data model first. Okay, to make it faster, we just copy this data model, copy. Okay, this is the data model. We have two parameters, major 1 and count 1. This is a data model. Okay, next we want to show the result on my Flutter. We must make a coding, stateless widget, this one. Stateless widget. Okay, we make the name, or we make same with the script, the previous script. This is the name major. Okay, and stateful widget stay, and then we have the name of my project, this one. Okay, the first one, we want to make a application bar like this, CRUD operation, read all data. Okay, we copy this. Stateless widget, we copy all stateless widget here, copy, make it to the stateless widget, this one. Copy this. Okay, now we have make a CRUD operation, read all data like this. Yeah. Okay, the next we want to receive data from the backend, and then we send the script. Okay, we must make a function to receive all data from the backend to the Flutter. Okay, we copy this. This is the script how to get the data. Okay, this is how to get the data. Copy. This one. Okay, now because we use the HTTP package, now we must import this HTTP package here. Okay, sorry. Pubdev HTTP. Okay, this one. Okay, we must how to install. Click here, and then click this import. Copy. Okay, after that we must import also the asynchronous function, and then import convert here. Okay, now okay, we make this parameter, yeah. So all parameter here. We must declaration first, copy. Okay, this declaration of parameter here. The data model, this one. We use data model, so the data model list we must import. Where is it? Import. Data model Pareto 1. Okay. This is a script for get data from the backend. This is a script on the backend Pareto measure. I can copy this script to my video. Okay, after we get data here to this one, and then we want to calculate the sum of record. For this moment we have 43, and then we must make a script for calculate the sum of record, or to count the record. This is to how to count the record. This is the script. Okay, count the record. Okay, after that we want to make a Pareto chart. This one, this Pareto, we must make a script for making a Pareto chart here. This is how to make a Pareto chart. So this one, we must, because we use the chart, so we must this one, we must copy this from the package. Okay. Import, import, where is the import? Okay. Okay, finish, and then now we want to show the result on my virtual device. Okay, this one. We use the scaffold. And then this one, this view. Oh, body. Use this view. Children. And then we copy. Okay, container first, ya. Children, this one, container. Height means height of Pareto. And then we make this one padding. Okay. After that, we make a child. Child a column. And make this one children. Okay, now we copy This one. This is a script for make a chart. Copy this. Save. Yeah. Okay. Now we try to run the script. Okay, make this the bug console here. Then this process maybe take 1 minute or more. Okay, we can see the result here. Wait a moment, please. Hurry up, please. Why this time take a long time? Okay, maybe a few seconds. We can see the result here. Moment. Okay, this is explanation. Why do we need a data model? Okay, because all data from the backend here, backend written to the Flutter like this. Oh, the virtual device was restart. It's okay. Yeah, after that we must start again. Yeah, like this. This is data from the backend written to the Flutter. Okay. Come to here. This is a data model. So before we use the data to make a Pareto chart, we must make a data model to convert this data to field. This is from record, this one record, and then we make a split to field by field. After that, we can use this field to make the result like this. This is field by field. Because if we don't convert to the field, we cannot make a result like this because just one record. But in this case, okay, I run this first. Yeah, okay, run again. Okay, can run the script for the result here. Okay, this is we need field by field like this. Yeah, so the one record we can see in this moment. If we run the script, we can see this one run by record, and then we need a converter or data model to convert this record to field by field. So, and then the field we use to construct this Pareto chart to make a result on this virtual device. Okay, moment please, maybe this is this process take 1 minute. After finish this process, we can see the result here. Okay, maybe a few seconds more, we can see this menu, and then we push or we click the button to show us the result. Okay, maybe this is just a few seconds. Okay. Okay, this one. Why this? Why? What happened this? Hello. Okay. Erase here. Okay. If we click here, see this one, yeah. Click here. Okay. Why the result cannot see on this virtual device? Because this function we cannot run first. We must make initial we must run this function by using initiate. Okay, we make this. Check this one, initiation. Initial state, the name is initial state. Okay, we run this, copy. Initial state, okay, copy this one. Okay, this mean run this get data function. This is the get data function. We run this here, and also we run this query count. Okay, if we run this, okay, after that we add here to make run it easy. To add a floating action button here. Okay, floating action button. Okay, this one. Save. Okay, this one we must import the main menu, import. Main function here, main dot. Okay. Okay, we click here for back to the main menu. Okay, now we click this summary, click here, we can see this result. This is console, this is the result. Okay, this is the result, we can see this result, and then this is I show this record. Yeah, this is one record. We have every field here, but on my Flutter we need just field by field. So, and then this is I can show this data to convert from record to field. Okay, and then now we want to make information about the count of record. We have 43 count here. Okay, now we make This one, where is it? Okay, this one. Okay, now we have information 43, the total of record from database, and then this is just information number of student per major, total 43. This is student of AI, we have 6 students. This is 2 student computer network. This is a database student. We have 9, data science 1, and IoT 6. Okay, now we have finished. This is my result on this project. Okay, before we close this, I want to make a explanation. Okay, this is our project. This is backend, PHP, and database MySQL. If we run this script, yeah, the result return to the Flutter. This one. Okay, the return to this one like this. One record, and then this record, one record like this. We have show you like this. This is one record, I mean. This one. Okay, this one from here to here. This is the result of if we run the script. Okay, but on this case we want to make a field by field. Okay, we need a data model to convert all data record to field by field. Okay, this is review the whole project. Now we have this one, project number 41C. This is a previous project. Next time, or next video, we want to make a data model like we want to show you a data table here. Okay, we have explained this one, and also this one. This is data MySQL come from the backend, come to the Flutter. Okay, like this, and then we must convert this data by using data model or converter, and then the result of converter we use to show the parameter or Pareto chart like this. Okay, this is the script for get data from the backend. This is my script backend. This is authorization. I can copy this script to my project YouTube. Okay, this is a query count to count of record of database, and then this is a script for make a chart. We just need 2 parameter, measure 1 and also count 1. Okay, I think that's all for this time. Thank you for times to watching my video. If you learned something today, and if you a new subscriber, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.